Here's a quick video on how to replace the battery in your Kia key fob. You're going to need one of the 2032 batteries. You can get these off Amazon. I've put a link below in the description. I'll take you straight there. Usually you can do this with no tools, but sometimes a flat tip screwdriver will be helpful, and I'll show you where it can come in handy. So first thing you want to do is this little silver button right here. You want to press that and pull this mechanical key out. Now here's where the screwdriver comes in handy. There's usually a little tab right here, but it's very easy to break. And if yours is broken, you can just take the screwdriver, insert it right here, and just give it a twist like that. And I'll show you this one. This one does not have the broken tab. So you can see right there that tab exists, and you can still use the screwdriver on this one if you want. But that tab is very easy to break, so it does happen pretty frequently. So that's how you access it. Once you have this split apart, you can go ahead and use your key, remove the battery there. Make sure you put the new one positive side facing downward. And then you want to squeeze these together. Make sure you got your red light there. And go ahead and insert your key. And you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.